Hello, this is Lady Q
and Lady Boo Boo,
and we're here, and Lady Boo Boo is gonna do an awesome performance today. Today, she will be doing the Snake Indian thingy. Here she goes. Ooh, snakes. Do more. Oh. Alright, we've seen enough. Alright then, and that was her doing the creepy Indian thingy.
Our nicknames are Piggy and Moose.
Call me Moose.
Call me Piggy.
Now today,
I have something in my butt. Oh, that's a tack.
She had a thumbtack in her butt, but it's okay, right, Lady Boo Boo?
You want to see?
Okay. And what is this that we are looking at?
This is a stone for wisdom and a stone for protection.
Ooh. This is techno. Not appropriate music. Sorry, children.
Shouldn't be listening to that.
I mean, Nicki Minaj is cool and everything, but there ain't appropriate music for you people. Has any of you peoples ever, well, if you're Mexican and you know Spanish, or if you know Spanish, then no.
I'm a paisa.
See, paisas are not good. They're very contagious. That's why you gotta watch out with what you do. I think I have a song, but I heard whoever listens to it dies in a week. It's very scary. Hold on. Now listen. This is if you keep on watching this, turn it off right now, cause this will kill you in a week.
Let's hear the sound.
Ready, and then explode. You're gonna die, son. You wanna know the name? You're gonna die. Well, we were just playing. You're not gonna die, right?
Take it off!
It is.
Oh wait, we're not. Oh, okay.
No, we're not. It was just an April Fool's joke since April's almost coming. Practicing on what I'm gonna do. I don't know if it sounds good or not.
Sorry.
And these are her convos.
They're cheap.
And these are my rockin' candies.
Ow.
Now, what we'd like to say is, if you like us, this is our first show, so I'm pretty excited. Now, please subscribe, and I hope that you people have a nice day.
Mooseandpiggy.com.
Mooseandpiggy.com. Bye.